Success in MRCOG Part 3 depends on one thing: how you perform on the day of your exams. That's why our MRCOG Part 3 mock exam is designed as the closest possible replica of the real RCOG examination. Conducted in an authentic RCOG format, the mock includes 14 realistic exam tasks carefully structured to mirror the actual station blueprints. You face trained role players and experienced examiners, ensuring every interaction feels real, from history taking to counseling to emergency scenarios and ethical discussions. The mock is delivered as a real time exam simulation, helping you experience the pressure, the pacing, the transitions exactly as you will on your big day. After the exam, you will receive detailed, personalized feedback focused on communication, content, structure, and the time management. The key domains assessed in MRCOG Part 3. All feedback sessions are recorded, allowing you to revisit comments, reflect on improvements, and track your progress over time. This mock doesn't just test you, it trains you. It sharpens your communication skills, strengthens your exam and time management, and most importantly, builds the confidence you need to walk into the real exam calmly and prepared. If you want your exam day to feel familiar and not frightening, the MRCOG Part 3 mock exam is your final and most important rehearsal. Train like it's the real exam. Perform with confidence on your big day.